June 22nd, 2025 at precisely 2:34 a.m. local time, the world crossed a line it may never return from because on that night America bombed Iran. Not with threats, not with warnings, but with steel fire and precision. I'm Uma, this is Trendline Times. Today, I'm not here to ask what if, I'm here to report what has already begun. 3 sites were being targeted: Fordo, Natanz, Isfahan. Fordo, Iran's deepest underground nuclear fortress, Natanz, the heart of uranium enrichment, and Isfahan, missile-grade material stockpile, all hit, all burning. General Dan Kane said, "We neutralized 90% of Iran's nuclear processing capability. The strike was surgical, the message was loud." Donald Trump said, "Iran crossed the line. We erased that line with bombs. They wanted to test our strength. We gave them the answer in megatons." The operation code name Midnight Hammer was the largest coordinated US strike on Iran in history, carried out by stealth B-2 bombers, Tomahawk cruise missiles and satellite-guided bunker busters, but with every bomb dropped came a consequence rising. Within hours, Iran retaliated hundreds of missiles. Israel's Iron Dome lit the skies, but some got through. Tel Aviv shook, 16 injured, 3 critical, hospitals overwhelmed. Sirens did not stop for 4 hours. This is no longer politics, this is vengeance. You hit our heart, now we will burn yours. America will bleed for this, said Khamenei. American embassies across the Middle East are under lockdown. US bases in Qatar, Kuwait and Iraq are now in DEFCON 2, just one step below the full-scale war readiness. Superpowers enter the arena. Russia has sent warships toward the Gulf. China has condemned the US, demanding unconditional withdrawal from Iranian airspace. And behind closed doors, Beijing is reportedly offering Iran advanced missile guidance tech. Netanyahu said, "Israel will stand with the United States. We will not wait for the next attack. We will act first and we will finish it." And as the missiles fly, so does the last chance for diplomacy. Airstrikes are replacing negotiations, revenge is replacing strategy, and egos are replacing peace. President Trump has made his move. Khamenei is sharpening his sword. Putin is watching and waiting. One wrong move and the world changes, not for a day, but for a generation. Tonight, a message was sent not through diplomacy but through destruction. The United States bombed Iran. Iran answered with fire, and now silence falls, the kind that comes just before the world breaks. Leaders are speaking in missiles. Alliances are forming in shadows, and the only thing louder than the war drums is the sound of a world holding its breath. You may ask what comes next: another strike, a cyber attack, or the day we no longer call this a conflict but a world war. Tonight, history did not whisper, it roared, and we heard it together. I'm Uma, this is Trendline Times, and until the last siren fades, we will keep reporting what the world cannot ignore.